Hi, we're Soviet.Market Online. Today, I would like to tell you about the Vostok Komandirskie automatic watch. The model number is 650541. The production packaging is a plastic box. The watch is made in Russia by Vostok Watchmakers Incorporated. Russian manual included. Please pay attention that an English instruction manual is also included. A mechanical watch is powered by an internal mainspring. It can be wound both manually and automatically. The movement has 32 jewels. According to Vostok's catalog, the movement caliber is 24 millimeters. The watch has a central second hand. This watch has an anti-overwinding function. This is a 24-hour watch, meaning that the hour hand completes one full cycle in 24 hours. The watch case is made of stainless steel. Case is matte. The case diameter is 42 millimeters. The glass is made of plexiglass and protrudes above the watch case. The bezel rotates silently in both directions. The watch dial is analog with Arabic numerals. Beneath the 12 o'clock mark, it reads Komandirskie. The hand's dots are luminous and glow in the dark. The date window is located at 6 o'clock. The crown is located on the right side of the case. For manual winding, simply unscrew the crown. Please note the crown glides freely even when properly attached and is not meant to be static. This is normal as part of a technical feature that enables Vostok's signature hand winding. For this watch, we'll use the 24-20-24 method to change the date faster. Move the hands in a clockwise direction until the date changes. Then move the hands in a counterclockwise direction until the 20 mark is reached. Then in a counterclockwise direction, go back to 24. Repeat as many times as you need to reach the current date. You should always make sure the winding head is completely screwed down before you wear your watch. The bracelet of the watch is made of stainless steel. The bracelet width is 20 millimeters. It includes a folding clasp with a double lock and a button fastener. There are removable links in the bracelet on either side of the clasp. All of them have arrows indicating that they can be removed. To shorten the bracelet, you need to remove the required number of links. Links can be removed by pushing the pins in the direction of the arrow on the side of each link. Watch back is made of stainless steel. Vostok's signature letter V logo is etched on the reverse side of the watch. Water resistance is up to 200 m or 20 bar. Feel free to swim while wearing this watch. Here's the watch on my wrist. Look at the size and dimensions. Visit Soviet.Market and join us on Facebook and Instagram. Stay connected.